Hello, I'm Andy Peeke with International Press Association, and today we're at the PDN PhotoPlus International Conference and Expo. This is the largest photography and imaging show in North America. It's attended by over 21,000 professional photographers, filmmakers, students, and educators from around the world. PhotoPlus features over 100 educational seminars, photo walks, and master classes, and over 225 exhibitors displaying the thousands of the latest products and services for you to touch, try, and compare. Today, we're going to walk the floor and check out a lot of these products and services, and we're definitely going to do some touching, trying, and comparing. So, let's go take a look. Our next stop at the Manfrotto display in the Javits Center of the PDN PhotoPlus Expo has led us to find Tommy Howley, Product Manager of Digital Director. Tommy, tell us about Digital Director and what it does.
Well, the Digital Director is the first Apple certified interface that allows us to control a Canon or Nikon DSLR camera directly from your iPad.
Okay, and in case you haven't noticed by now, we're actually being shot on Digital Director. Can we get a zoom out to see this? Look at that, that's you and I being shown on Digital Director live as we shoot this video right now. Now, Tommy, since we're showing live right now on Manfrotto's Digital Director, let's talk about some of the features and show us how they work.
Sure. So over here on the right, we have a remote control. So we can control things such as our ISO, our shutter speed, and our aperture. So you can see right now it's getting lighter and darker. That's our ISO. If I wanted to focus in on you, all I'd have to do is touch your face, and you can see this blue circle move there. That means you are now in focus. Over here we have our shutter release, so if I want to take a picture, you just press that, and it has captured
We're
the
stored
image.
forever in infamy right there.
Correct. Over here we have our white balance and our drive mode controls, and then if we wanted to go into our camera roll, we just press here, and here we are.
And there we are. All right. Tommy, can you talk more about some of the practical, real-world, real-life applications of Digital Director and when and where people would use this?
Sure. So it's great for all types of photographers. So wedding photographers, event photographers, people who want to show images to their clients at the end of the night. They can go through the images, share the images, edit them. People who are always on the go. Landscape photographers, it's hard to check your image on the little LCD screen of your camera. So people who want to check your focus point, share those images from the go, is ideal for them, and really any photographer who just wants a better way to control their camera and their focus points.
Tommy, it's obvious that Digital Director is a comprehensive product that does a lot for photographers and videographers. Now, if they're interested in getting it, where do they go, what do they do, and how much does it cost?
They can go to any major retailer, or they can go to manfrotto.us, and it is $499.99.
All right, so there you go, $499.99, manfrotto.us. You heard it from Tommy, and you heard it from me. Check out Digital Director. Moving over to a different category that Manfrotto offers, we are here with the very lovely category manager, Lynda Flaby. Lynda, talk about the lighting products that Manfrotto offers.
Sure, absolutely. Over the past year or so, Manfrotto has totally reinvigorated and reinvented the entire LED category. Everything has moved to surface mount technology, which is actually the state-of-the-art technology for LED lighting. It's the brightest light available and offers the highest color rendering, the highest CRI available.
Okay, now as we spoke earlier, you mentioned Manfrotto offers different families of lighting. Can you talk about those families so everybody out there can know?
Absolutely. So the current lineup for LED, there's 4 collections. It ranges down from the Lumi series, which is a collection of 3 units. From there you step up to the Pro LED, and then brand new we'll be introducing this November our Lycos half panel collection. And then at the higher end of things are a 1x1 form factor, an Astra series of LED panels.
So it sounds like when it comes to lighting, Manfrotto offers everything from the very beginning photographer to the high-end, big-budget professional.
Absolutely. Just like we do in the other categories, bags and tripods, we have product for the beginner, entry level, the photo enthusiast, all the way up to the professional photographers.
All right. And as we spoke also, you have a specific product that I think is going to be a future bestseller.
Absolutely.
That we want to talk about right here. Now this is right behind us, but we
Yes.
have one here that we're going to show to the camera. Tell us what this is and what makes it so special.
Absolutely. This is actually brand new. It's not on the market yet. It's coming out in November. This collection is called the Lycos. The collection is comprised of 2 units. There's a bicolor unit and a daylight unit. The bicolor can go from 3100 Kelvin to 5600, so they're both dimmable, but the bicolor allows you to adjust the color temperature. They're going to come fully equipped out of the box. They will come with a ball head, a diffuser, 2 color gels. They come with the AC adapter to power it through the mains, and then it also has a built-in adapter in the back that you could use the Sony L series battery to power it. So a lot of functionality right inside the package.
And it's really nice that you don't have a proprietary battery system, which can be very frustrating for a lot of people.
This is a readily available Sony camcorder battery that can power this one.
All right, well, let's take a look at the back of this camera. Now I see
So
we can
here's the
power it
power
on right
switch.
there. Let's go ahead and power it on. And I was
Yes.
playing with this a little bit earlier. So we can see the battery snaps on and off easily, and then adjusting the light, you get an exact percentage
Yes, you
of
have
what you're
that.
doing while you're doing it.
Right, so if you were to set it to exactly where you want it to be, and then the next day if you want that exact setup, you just turn it on and then dial it to the same setup where you had left off the day earlier. So that's a nice new feature added to the Lycos collection.
And one thing that I'm noticing that is incredibly useful but rarely seen
Okay.
is this handle.
Yes, yes.
Nobody has
absolutely.
handles. I've been on enough.
So-
Well, might blind the camera there.
Oh, sorry
but
about
I've been on enough productions myself that somebody's palming a LED light,
right.
trying
So
to hold it
this
up and get it there,
has,
and you're holding this handle beautifully and comfortably.
Yeah, the form factor is great. It's very ergonomic, it's very lightweight, so it's very easy to have the photographer can kind of be unassisted utilizing this, or it could go on the light stand, or it could be held by the assistant. So
Well-
yeah, very lightweight, half the size of the 1x1, but as much brightness and light quality as the 1x1s.
Well, that's great to see, and it's obvious that Manfrotto has the end user in mind by putting things on there like easy to use, easy to find battery, and a very simple handle with a percentage of lighting indicator on the back.
Absolutely.
Quick,
Absolutely.
easy, and simple.
Right, and there's really nothing like the Lycos out there right now. This will be available in November with all the accessories in the box that I had mentioned and the daylight and bicolor units.
Now, Lynda, when it comes to lighting, what sets Manfrotto apart from the competitors?
What sets us apart are a number of things. We are part of Vitech, and one of our sister companies is Light Panels. So we share a lot of technology with them. The 1x1s that we're carrying were actually designed and manufactured by Light Panels. And then all of, say for example, the onboards that will be coming out in November, we're doing a lot of collaboration with our sister company and utilizing the technology that's already been R&D'd and proven by them.
That's excellent. And if anybody wants to find out more about Manfrotto and what they offer in terms of lighting, where should they go and where should they look?
They could actually come visit us right here at the show in our booth, and after the show they could go to manfrotto.us to learn more about the products.
There we go. I'm Andy Peeke. She's Lynda. Check out Manfrotto lighting products.